Hello students and welcome back to Standard 8 Mathematics Digital class. Today we will solve practice set 9.1. Now here the question is, if the marked price is equal to rupees 1700, selling price equals to rupees 1540, then find the discount. Okay, so first we will write down the given. So here marked price, that is MP, is equal to rupees 1700. Selling price, we can write it as SP, is equal to rupees 1540. So to find discount, so we are finding discount. So discount equals to question mark. Okay, now what is the formula for discount? Discount equals to marked price, that is MP, minus selling price, SP. Okay, so let's substitute the values. MP equals to 1700 minus SP equals to 1540, which is equal to 160. So therefore the discount is rupees 160. Okay, let's solve the second question. Question is, if the marked price equals to rupees 990 and the percentage of discount is 10, then find the selling price. So here solution, what is given here? Marked price is given, so that means MP is given. MP equals to rupees 990 and the percentage of discount is 10. That means discount is given. Discount percent is given. Okay, so discount percent is 10%. Okay, now what we have to find then? Find the selling price. So here we are asked to find the selling price. Okay, now let the discount. See, to find the selling price we need the discount. So let's find out the discount. Let the discount given be rupees X. Okay, so then we can write the formula. Discount percent upon 100 is equal to discount given upon marked price. So this is the formula, right? Let's substitute the values. So discount percent is 10 upon 100 equals to discount given is rupees X. So let's write X upon marked price is 990 rupees. Okay, now therefore X is equal to 10 multiplied by 990 upon 100. So after calculation we will get X is equal to rupees 99. Now what is X? X is discount given. So discount given is equal to rupees 99. We are asked to find the selling price. So what is the formula for selling price? Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Discount given. Okay, so let's substitute the values. Marked price is rupees 990. So 990 minus discount given is rupees 99. So minus 99, which is equal to rupees 891. So therefore the selling price is rupees 891. Okay. Now we will solve question number 3. If the selling price is equal to rupees 900, discount is 20%, then find the marked price. So let's write down what is given. Selling price is given, so SP equals to rupees 900. Discount percent is given, so discount equals to 20%. What we have to find? Marked price. So MP equals to question mark. Okay. So now suppose the marked price be rupees 100. So now here the discount is equals to 20%. So therefore selling price equals to 100 minus 20, which is equal to rupees 80. Okay. Now if the selling price, that is SP, is rupees 80, the marked price is rupees 100. Okay. So let us assume that the actual marked price be is rupees X, which is sold for rupees 900. Then 80 upon 100 is equal to 900 upon X, where this 80 is the selling price when the marked price is rupees 100, correct? This 100 is the assumed marked price that we have assumed at the beginning. So if the marked price is rupees 100, the selling price is rupees 80. Now here X is the actual marked price and 900 is the actual selling price. The ratio of assumed selling price to assumed marked price is equal to the ratio of actual selling price to actual marked price. Therefore, X is equal to 900 multiplied by 100 upon 80. After calculation, we will get X is equal to 1125. So 1125, right? So therefore, the marked price is rupees 1125. Okay.